Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set CapCut speed in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video or picture. Then press on your video. Now click on speed. Press on normal. From here, you can change the speed of your video. You can slow your video by this, or you can fast your video by this. That's it. So this is how to set CapCut speed in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.